Top 6. Best electric screwdriver. If you're looking for the best electric screwdriver, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Best overall. DeWalt 8V Max Cordless Screwdriver Kit. Like other cordless DeWalt tools, the 8V Max Cordless Screwdriver comes with a removable battery. 2 batteries are included. We started by charging the battery overnight to ensure it was at full power for testing. Subsequent charging revealed it took just more than an hour for the battery to reach a full charge. If the need is for a cordless screwdriver with plenty of features and a rock-solid reputation, the 8V Max Cordless Screwdriver from DeWalt is a terrific choice. It aced all our tests, including quickly driving screws into drywall, pine, and even denser birchwood without bogging down. This cordless screwdriver has a gyroscopic trigger that activates the motor with the motion of a wrist. Twist the tool to the right, it will tighten or drive a screw, twist left, and it will loosen the screw. It also has 2 LEDs to light up a workpiece as well as a 2-position handle that allows a choice between a pistol grip and a straight barrel screwdriver. Number 2. Premium Choice. Makita XSF03Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion.
Introducing an 18-volt brushless drywall screwdriver that can keep up with the high productivity standards of drywall contractors. The 18-volt LXT drywall screwdriver is powered by an efficient and powerful brushless motor and features Makita's exclusive push drive technology. With push drive, just set the trigger in lock-on mode and the motor will start only when the fastener is engaged. This means lower noise on the job site since the motor only runs when you need it to run. It also saves battery power for longer run time. In internal testing, this cordless screwdriver drove enough fasteners to hang up to 40 sheets of drywall on a single charge. The 4.0 amp-hour battery provides 35% more runtime per charge than the 3.0 amp-hour battery. And it charges in only 40 minutes, so it spends more time working and less time sitting on the charger. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection Computer Controls technology that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
Number 3. Best Budget. Black Plus Decker 4V Max Cordless Screwdriver. Number 4. Best Heavy Duty. Bosch PS21-2A12V Max 2-Speed Pocket Driver Kit.
The Bosch 12-volt Max Lithium-Ion 2-Speed Pocket Driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size and lightest weight. Powerful 2-speed gearbox. 265 inch-pounds of max torque. Universal 1/4-inch hex bit holder. 20+ 1-clutch settings. Powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt Max Lithium-Ion Quick Charge Power System with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size. A tool for any job. The power you need. The 12-volt Max Lithium-Ion 2-Speed Pocket Driver.
The Bosch Pocket Driver. It's better in every way. At under 6 inches long, it's even shorter than before. And now we've added a second gear, so you get up to 2.5 times more speed and torque. All this, and it still weighs less than 2 pounds. Bigger power, smaller package. The 12-volt Max Pocket Driver from Bosch.
Number 5. Most ergonomic. Black + Decker 4V Max cordless screwdriver with screw holder.
For the right power, for the right torque, and no more stripped screws. Choose the Smart Select Lithium Screwdriver. Choose your project icon using the exclusive Smart Select dial. Load the retractable screw holder and get great results. The exclusive retractable screw holder with magnetic tip prevents you from dropping screws. Grab and go anytime with a lithium-ion battery that stays charged and ready for up to 18 months. The included wall-mountable charging cradle provides convenient storage for bits. And the built-in LED light provides improved visibility when working in dimly lit areas. The right power for the job in the palm of your hand. The Smart Select Lithium Screwdriver from Black & Decker. From the Black & Decker Smart.
Number 6. Haichika SD4C cordless screwdriver. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.